Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're in a very different location right now. We're at Auckland Airport. This is Greg.
Hello.
This is Felix. We're at Auckland Airport and we're about to fly to London. We're going away for 6 weeks and we're going to take you along with us on all our fun, exciting, delicious adventures. I am obsessed with this. It's definitely the coolest walk out of the train station I've ever seen. This might take over our best pizza in Italy spot. Mine's empty.
Is it?
We're at the Bridge of Sighs. That is delicious. We very luckily found this little bench with the most beautiful view I've probably ever seen in my whole life. So things are gonna look a little different on the channel for now, but hopefully we'll have lots of fun foodie content to share.
First stop is survive the flight.
Yeah, first challenge, get to London in one piece or a 3-piece.
Or a 3-piece.
We're 3-piece, right? See you in London. We are 1.5 hours almost into our journey. Felix has been an absolute dream. He slept, I mean, it is the very middle of the night. He's absolutely knackered, so are we. But our food just arrived. Yum! Let's rate our plain food. We both went for lamb koftas and polenta. It looks a bit different to what I expected. It's like lamb meatballs in like a tomato sauce with some polenta, like polenta on side. We got some Marlborough sea salted corn nacho sweet crispies. Of course we're gonna try them. A little bread roll. Some ice cream and a little salad. It's beetroot and sunflower seeds, I think. Maybe pumpkin seeds. I love beetroot, so yum. Oh, we're on Air New Zealand. Did I say that? And the staff have been absolutely delightful and so kind already. Okay, taste this. Everything is hard to eat one-handed. Oh, it is like a kofta though.
Yeah.
Might just have to shove it in my gob.
Yeah.
Meatball. 1, 2, 3. I feel like when we do these ratings, we have to compare them to plain food. Like, if it's a 10 out of 10, it's a 10 out of 10 for plain food, right? It's not a 10 out of 10 Michelin star restaurant. The meatball's pretty, yeah. The lamb kofta. It's definitely like one you get in a packet, but not bad. The sauce is actually quite nice. Okay, let's try polenta. So it's like polenta mash. It's quite cold. It's just cold. It needs to be hotter, but it's actually quite nice. Salad! Normally I'm not an eating salad on the plane kind of gal, but this actually looks yum. Risky business. That's actually yum. It's got a real citrus kick. It's like orange. You're probably going to hate it.
The other thing you guys have to remember is it's nearly, and I think you said this before, it's like 1:15 in the morning, like 1:30. We really haven't slept in like 24 hours.
Oh,
we're quite tired. So bear in mind we might be delusional.
That's yum.
Delusional.
It's yum, right?
I'm into it actually. Are we losers?
Yeah.
People like watching us like, what the fuck?
I think.
No.
Who cares what anybody else thinks, guys? You just gotta do you. Okay, puffs. If this wakes up Felix, I will be pissed.
Good puff opening.
Oh, there's like none in there. Where are you? Honestly, I don't get why on the plane they don't just give you a proper pack of crisps. Give me a packet of crisps. These are fine.
That's a great little treat.
Okay, squeezy butter.
I feel like this is going to be a mess.
Yeah, okay. What the
Okay, I think like that's quite cool. Like I'll give that a 10.
You're actually blue. God, I love a bread roll. You can't go wrong with butter on bread. And it's New Zealand butter. Oh, you ripped the bun like a savage. I'm actually having a good time. I thought this was going to be hell. I thought this flight was going to be hell. I'm having a great old time. I have had like a half a glass of wine. Woohoo! This actually looks like an ice cream. Oh my god, that's really good. It's like eating a cloud.
That's quite a good ice cream. Really soft, marshmallowy. You said that's great.
It's like marshmallowy. It's very light. It's very airy. All in all,
I think
we're having a good time.
it progressively got better as I went through. From the lamb kofta, which is always the lamb kofta is the main. Like really, that should stand out. It didn't stand out as much as the salad. And then the squeezy butter. How good. The puff crisps are actually really good.
Do you really like them?
I like them. I think that's a great little addition. And then the ice cream, like you can't fault that. The ice cream is unreal. I actually give it an 8.
An 8? Overall, you give it an 8?
Yeah, 8.
Woo, that's pretty good.
Thoughts?
I'm sticking to my 7.
Okay.
I reckon there's lots of room for improvement, but also solid. I'm happy with it. You know? But I'm with you on them. The main meal should be the showstopper.
Yeah.
And so that's, if the main meal was a 7, I think overall it has to be a 7. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. We just landed in Singapore. It's flippin' boiling. We had a great flight actually, but we're still very tired. And we just walked up and saw this coffee shop and they have the most beautiful looking croissants. So obviously we're gonna buy some and get some coffee. Yeah. How do they even have a shop like this in the airport? Like, look at the ceiling. What the heck? This is like heaven, coffee and croissants. Da-da-da-da. We went for a pistachio croissant. I love pistachio things. It's so tiny, it's so cute. If we see a big golden shop that sells coffee and croissants, you know we're going in. Look at the lamination, that's very good. That's flipping yum. Oh my god, wait. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, that's like actually made my day. It's really buttery and so well laminated.
So we asked the lady when ordering what her recommendation was for coffee. So we've got a Kenyan mountain coffee. What's cool is it comes with this little like sugary stick that you dunk in. So we're going to do that. Try that. And I don't even know what's in here. It's like a little pot of cream. I do love cream. Oh yeah, see, so it comes black coffee. All right, so I think you dunk this in. Okay, and then I guess you dunk this in, right?
Yeah.
With a spoon. Oh yeah. I feel like this is very American, like cream in your coffee.
Yeah, it is.
It's good. I mean, it is strong.
It's nice, but it's not my cup. We are here in the UK. So unless you follow me on Instagram, you probably haven't seen us since we were at Singapore airport. So we flew straight from Singapore to London. It was a very, very long 14-hour flight. In fact, the toddler behind us threw up all under our seats and like all over their seats on the plane. So it basically stank of vomit the whole journey. So when we got to London, we were knackered and we just got our hire car, drove straight to my grandma's house. We've just been there for the last 2 days, kind of trying to rest as best we can. But we're feeling good and fresh today and we're back on the road. We are driving from Ipswich to the Peak District. It's going to be amazing. We're going to meet my best friend from childhood and her partner and stay in an Airbnb for 3 days. And yeah, come with us. It's going to be so great. Tractor. We're in the countryside now. We had to make an impromptu pit stop because little Felix was not happy in the car. Yes, Felix. So we've stopped in Cambridge and it looks like the most beautiful city ever. So let's go have a little look around. Cambridge is such a beautiful city. It's like the most lovely day. Felix is having the best time ever. We're on the hunt for some coffee. We've heard there's some good cinnamon buns, but I can see a market up ahead, so let's go have a look at that.
We picked up some scrolls from Fitzbilly's and we went for things that were like classically English. So we got a Chelsea bun, which they're renowned for, and a Marmite cheese. I'm not sure if I actually like Marmite. I don't know, but this might be delicious or disgusting. This is kind of like a Vegemite roll. What are they called that we have?
Scrolls, yeah.
Oh, I've got hair in my mouth. The cheese is yum. The flavour is actually yum. That's a good snack. I just feel like I could have been cooked a little bit more. But I actually really like the flavour. I love cheese. Okay, these are the world famous Chelsea buns. I feel like this is quite different to a Chelsea bun in New Zealand. What I think of a Chelsea bun is like a bun with pink icing on the top. Is that right? This looks different. It's got like currants. It looks flippin' yum and syrupy though. That's so good. We only had about 1 hour in Cambridge, so we quickly searched on Instagram where to get something to eat, and this was like the #1 thing to go and get. I actually wasn't going to choose it because when they're in there, they're sat that way. I was like, it doesn't look that good. Absolutely worth it. I'm about the hype.
We just left Cambridge. I'm talking quietly because Felix is fast asleep in the back. Do you know, I actually realised when we were in Cambridge that I've been there before. It was when I was 18 and I was working as a street charity worker for the British Red Cross. We went to Cambridge to do a day of street charity working. It was freezing cold. It was literally the middle of winter. Honestly, I was like so shit at that job. If I hadn't quit 3 weeks in, I would have been fired because I was so shit at signing people up. Because if anyone said no, I was like, no worries, don't you worry about it. Like, I didn't want to force people to sign up at all. I hated that job. So because we had that little stop off, we're now heading straight to our Airbnb at the Peak District. I am so excited. I'm very hungry. We're going to make a little pit stop at Waitrose to buy snacks. I love going to Waitrose. It's where rich people go.
We've just been on a beautiful little walk down to a farm shop in the town. We're staying in Denston, and our Airbnb, you can walk through the woods, through a paddock, and then go straight to a farm shop. It is so lovely here. I'm eating a blackberry from a bush in a paddock. Oh my God, yum. That's so good.
Both 17 when we met on the Carolina shore. My heart was on the floor. It was burning like a July heat. The way you made me feel when we kissed that night on the beach. Swore we were meant to be. But you went back home to Bama with my heart on your sleeve. We were living in a country song.
Good morning. We are on the road this morning. We're heading into the Peak District National Park to do a hike. So we're staying about an hour south of the Peak District, and we're going for a hike in the Mamtor. I don't know if it's called in the Mamtor, on the Mamtor. I'm assuming it's a peak. It's about an hour and a half hour walk, which is going to be lovely. The drive has been beautiful. It's very windy, so I feel very sick, but we've driven through so many cute little towns. They're lovely. So I think it's going to be a great day. Hopefully we're going to get a pub lunch. Maybe I'll get some sausage and mash. That's my go-to. Anyway, I'm so excited. The thing I'm loving about this trip is that obviously I'm from England. I moved from London to New Zealand when I was 9. Even though I've been back to England loads of times to see my family, we always just like go and see family. Like we've done a few little trips maybe to Devon, but that's about it. Whereas we rented a car and it's so cool to like see the countryside and see all the little towns and all the things that I've never seen before. It's been so worthwhile because we get to see so much and it's so fun taking Felix, and it's just, yeah, it's super exciting. So we got to Mamtor. Oh, he's so happy. Hi. So we got to Mamtor and we couldn't find a car park to do the walk up the big tall peak. It's pretty epic. And as we were driving in, there were parachuters coming down. There's loads. That's so cool. So we've decided to park in the town. We're going to go to the pub and go for a little walk around the town. And we're going to look at Mamtor from a distance. And actually, it sounds like a better idea because it's super steep. It's going to be lovely. Look at this. Oh my God.
Everybody's selling their static lies, but I want the rush, I need the high. Surge that lights me up inside, that can get me energized.
We're climbing up this big hill and it's great. I haven't walked with Felix in the front pack like this before. We're doing good, but I'm worried about the coming down. Yeah. Every time I look behind, I get like a bit anxious about the downway. It is stunning though. Hopefully the view from the top is beautiful and worth it.
Just one touch and I'm shot deep down. Yeah, it's fun, but I can't stop now. Cause you're love.
We're walking up this big hill and there's like flying ants everywhere. I think they're flying ants. They're flying into Felix's face as we're walking up the hill. It's awful. It's beautiful, but it's awful. The flies. We're gonna go back down because we spoke to a guy and he said there's heaps more up ahead. He said it gets worse as you go up. There were so many flies. They were flying in my face. They were flying in Felix's face. One went in my ear. Oh God, there's one in my hair right now. Oh God. Let's go. I'm feeling stressed by the flies.
I'm electrified like
We're down on bug-free ground now and I'm feeling much better. It was awful, all those flies flying into your face. It's so beautiful. It's a shame about the bugs. Let's go and find a pub lunch.
You take charge and I'll take my chances. Can't resist. Just one time.
We decided to go for classic English meal. So I've got a steak and Stilton pie with chunky chips and some mash on the side. Yum. Greg's gone for fish and chips. It's so good. Oh, and a pint of Coke. I am shattered now, but we had such a lovely day out, and what a way to finish with a lovely pub lunch, or like afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock by the time we ate. It was so good that we got classic English foods. I was like debating whether or not to get the pie because it was lunchtime, but it was absolutely delicious. It's so different to New Zealand pies. Like New Zealand pies, like puff pastry on the top. The one here is short crust pastry, and it was like really rich, and the Stilton was absolutely delicious, and you get to have it with mash and gravy and chips, and oh, I'm so full, but it was absolutely delicious. Yes, so we're just going home to chill, we're driving home, and we'll probably see you tomorrow.